Welcome back, fellas. Today, we're diving into creating an e-commerce image ad using QuickAds.ai. Let's get started. First, we'll head over to the Design option and select Images. Now that we've got the flow started, we need to input the link of the brand we're going to use. This time, we'll go with Cosmic Bite. Let's go! As you can see, QuickAds is fetching details from the website. Here we go! We've got all the data, and it's even marked as a physical product. If needed, we can manually switch it to non-physical too. Let's move on. Next, we'll select the size in the advanced settings. As you can see, social media is the default selection. All right, QuickAds is now gathering images from the website. We'll select this image and proceed. And just like that, our ads are ready. Easy and quick, right? With QuickAds.ai creating e-commerce, image ads is seamless. Give it a try and create your own today.